September 21st, this is Dave Dispinette with the Stock Playbook, giving you just a small sample of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. First, the markets. We said the path to least resistance was lower. We were butting up against the 50-day moving average. We thought we were close to the top. Dow Jones down 283 points, 2.5%. NASDAQ Composite was off 52 points, 2%. S&P 500 down 35 points, 2.9%. We closed at the lows for the day. Heavy volume, increase in volume, right at the bottom end of this uptrend line. This is a critical level here at the 1165 if the bulls want to go ahead and keep this market from rolling over. I really don't think they're going to be able to do so. But we fail here. You're basically looking at a test of that 1140, 35 to 1140 level right here. We fell there. Then you're back down to here. The 1120 level, which has acted as a nice floor with the exception of a couple of forays below it on the futures. We had a reversal day. But we get through this level. I think it's inevitable we test 1120. We fail there, which I think we do. It's look out below. What the catalyst is, who knows? Maybe it's maybe it's Europe, maybe it's Greece, maybe it's Italy, maybe it's our banks right here. Moody's downgrading Wells Fargo and Bank of America today, one notch above junk status. These are real issues. I still believe the best thing to do right now is to play the market with the E-minis. Made a killing today with the S&P E-minis, but SPXU, we spoke about it not just yesterday but the day before. We said the 17 area, that 17 and a half area, you get in there, today you're sitting on a 10% gain a day. While everybody else is getting decimated, you made 10% in a day. If that isn't good for you, or good enough for you, you got the shorts. Netflix continuing lower. Apple computer. I always want to say Apple computer. That's just old school. Apple today at one point got right up to the top end of its range. Yesterday topped out at 422 and change. Today 421. What a great opportunity. We highlighted this for you last night. Get short. Use a move into new highs as your real tight stop loss. Reversed. You're immediately up anywhere from 8 to 10 points and going lower. Apple is going to pull back to that 370, 380 level. We fell there with the market. We got a date with 350. We fell there, which now you're talking about just degrees of the market rolling over. We fell at 350. It's going down into the 280-ish level. Keep an eye on Apple. I like Apple as a company. I just don't like it as a stock up here. Deckers, outdoor, top end of the range, rolled over today. The point is, find something that's working. Red Hat had a great earnings and revenue number after. Looks like the stock's up 2. It's probably not going to be up 2 tomorrow if the market continues to be weak. I haven't seen the reports yet. Copart, I thought it was a good report, but it was down today, CPRT. But that's why we recommend the options. You put in 25, 30 cents into the options, you lose it all. It's better to lose 25 or 30 cents than $2, all right, which is what you would have been down if you had the stock. That's the beauty of using options. If you manage your risk to the downside, you're going to be okay taking your shots with these options. That's it for the Stock Playbook for tonight. Got a lot of ideas in our main video. Check it out tonight, and I think and we'll talk to you tomorrow.